This morning I'm going to make protein pancakes, and I figured that I would pick my camera up and take you along. This by far is one of my favorite protein shakes. This is Body Fortress. One scoop is 30 grams of protein. 12 grams of BCAAs, features 100% premium whey protein, 0 added soy protein. So I love the fact that it is soy free. We're also going to add some more protein in by using Fairlife milk. This is the 2% reduced fat, baking powder, 1 egg, and I gotta have my Cracker Barrel syrup. So this is the sugar free. Okay, so I've already measured out my 1 scoop of protein powder, so I can move the container out of the way, give me a little bit more arm room. This is gonna be a short and sweet video because it's just 4 ingredients. So you need your protein powder, 1 scoop, 4 tablespoons of water it calls for the recipe, but I'm gonna use milk. I do that anyway when I make regular pancakes, so let's not skimp. Just because we're doing a healthier version, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 egg. Okay, so 1 teaspoon, and this is the reason why they have this at the edge, so you can go ahead and level it off. Now, I did say in one of my cooking videos the other day that with baking, you really want to be precise, just so you know that you have something edible throughout all of that work that you're putting in. Okay, so the exact amount on the liquids is not 4 tablespoons, it's actually 3 tablespoons of water, like I said, but I'm gonna use this Fairlife milk, 2%. And what I love about Fairlife is that per serving, it gives you 13 grams of protein. So protein is very good for us. So I like to find ways to get more protein in my day. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of milk, add that into our 1 scoop of protein powder and our 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then all we'll need to add in is 1 egg. Mix this up and get it going into our frying pan. You can also turn this into waffles with a waffle iron, and boom, you got breakfast. Okay, so that is my 3 tablespoons of milk added in there. Again, let's go backwards. 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and our last thing now is just 1 whole egg. We're gonna beat that together, and I actually did find my waffle iron and I have it heated up, so I'm gonna do waffles. I also have back here, and I have some loaded scrambled eggs that I'm gonna have on the side with these waffles. So let me mix this all together, add my egg in, mix this all together, and then we'll go over to the waffle iron. So when I'm adding in an egg to anything that I'm baking or whatever, I like to mix my egg first before pouring it in. So we're just gonna whisk this all together. Again, that was 4 simple ingredients. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 scoop of protein powder, and 3 tablespoons of water or milk. Okay, that's it, that's all. Let's mix it together. Well, will you look at that? Doesn't that look like pancake or waffle batter? Quick, easy, that's just what I like. I like to work smart, not hard. So let's take this on over to our waffle iron that is heated up. I have my non-stick cooking spray already waiting for us. And let's make some crispy waffles. All right, so our waffle iron is heated up. This one is by Black & Decker. And the way that I know that it's ready is that that little light that was on back here is off. So you want to be very, 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 very careful. I'm going to get a measuring scoop, and where it calls for half of the batter, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup and just pour the batter in the center of the waffle iron. You want to make sure that you don't fill it all the way out, or else you're going to have some spillage. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and spray with my Pam coconut oil cooking spray, just to make sure that we don't have any sticking. And then let's get to making our waffles. Get it all lubricated. So if you want a little thinner waffle, I would say to add just a little bit more of water or milk, whatever it is that you're using. Close it down. Okay, so I closed it down and my light is back on, and it will tell me when it's ready to come out because the light will go back off. Got this from Walmart. Don't remember exactly how much it was, but I've had this for years. And just like that, waffle, no flour, full of protein. How easy was that? Let me go ahead and plate it up with my eggs and a little fruit, and I'll be back to show you the final product. All right, so we have the star of our show, our protein waffles. They're nice and crispy, soft inside. Have a little butter, dressed it with some fruit. This is our sugar-free syrup from Cracker Barrel that I heated up. So nice hot syrup, loaded eggs, bacon, cheese, spinach, and yeah, so that is our breakfast. Comment down below if you do go ahead and try these waffles, or if you converted them to pancakes. What is your favorite breakfast dish, and how do you think that we can go ahead and do that low carb? Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks for coming along on this journey. See you later, homies.
Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.